Hey there, design lovers! Welcome back to Home Inspiration Studios, your go-to source for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving into a style that's both controversial and captivating: Brutalist house architecture styles and design. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Brutalist house architecture styles, often misunderstood. Brutalism offers a unique aesthetic that celebrates raw materials, bold forms, and a sense of uncompromising honesty. The term brutalism originates from the French "bête en brute," meaning raw concrete. This architectural style emerged in the post-World War II era, particularly during the 1950s and 1970s, as architects sought to create functional and affordable buildings using readily available materials like concrete. Brutalist architecture is characterized by its exposed concrete surfaces, geometric shapes, monolithic forms, and a general lack of ornamentation. It's about revealing the building's structure and materials in their most unadorned state. This raw aesthetic can be seen as a reaction against the ornate styles that preceded it, embracing a stark and utilitarian approach to design. While brutalism may not appeal to everyone, it offers several compelling advantages. First, it's undeniably striking. A well-designed brutalist house makes a powerful statement, standing out from more conventional styles. Secondly, the use of concrete and other robust materials results in incredibly durable and low-maintenance structures. Concrete is fire-resistant, weather-resistant, and requires minimal upkeep. Thirdly, brutalism's emphasis on functionality often translates to efficient and practical floor plans. The focus is on creating usable spaces rather than decorative flourishes. Finally, brutalism encourages a connection with the raw materiality of the building, creating a sense of groundedness and permanence. It is a bold choice for homeowners who appreciate architectural integrity and a sense of timelessness. Creating a successful brutalist home requires careful consideration of several factors. While the style embraces raw materials, it doesn't mean neglecting design principles. Balance is key. The starkness of concrete can be softened with strategic use of natural elements like wood, stone, and greenery. Large windows are crucial for bringing in natural light and counteracting the heaviness of concrete. Interior spaces can be warmed up with textiles, rugs, and comfortable furniture. Consider the surrounding landscape. Brutalist structures often look best in natural settings, where the contrast between the built environment and nature creates a powerful visual impact. Pay attention to texture. Different concrete finishes, such as bush-hammered or board-formed concrete, can add visual interest. Concrete is undoubtedly the quintessential brutalist facade material. Its versatility allows for various finishes and textures. However, other materials can complement or even stand in for concrete in certain applications. Exposed brick, steel, and glass are often used in conjunction with concrete to create visual contrast and break up large expanses of gray. Natural stone, particularly rough-hewn varieties, can also be incorporated to add texture and a sense of connection to the earth. The key is to choose materials that are honest, unadorned, and reflect the principles of brutalism. And to spark your imagination and complete your inspiration, here are top 10 best brutalist house architecture design ideas to inspire your home project. 1. Exposed concrete walls. Embrace the raw texture and color of concrete. 2. Geometric forms. Incorporate strong geometric shapes and volumes. 3. Large windows. Maximize natural light and views. 4. Minimalist interiors. Keep the interior design simple and uncluttered. 5. Use of natural materials. Introduce wood, stone, and plants to soften the concrete. 6. Board-formed concrete. Create textured concrete surfaces with wood grain patterns. 7. Cantilevered structures. Add visual drama with overhanging elements. 8. Flat roofs. Reinforce the clean lines and geometric aesthetic. 9. Strategic lighting. Highlight the architectural details and textures. 10. Integration with landscape. Blend the building with its natural surroundings. Brutalist architecture is a powerful and thought-provoking style that challenges conventional notions of beauty. It's not about being cold or harsh. It's about celebrating the inherent beauty of raw materials and creating buildings that are both functional and expressive. By understanding the principles of brutalism and incorporating these design ideas, you can create a home that is both striking and livable. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the fascinating world of brutalist design. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Inspiration Studios for more design inspiration and expert advice. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best brutalist house architecture design ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Home's Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.